So you just open Premiere, click on New Project, that's step 2. So good. So step 3, now you're going to name your project. So professionally, there's a certain way that people name things. They call it like naming conventions. So the way you name it should be consistent for each project. So for instance, you use underscores in between each title instead of just having a space. So like you'll put game ad and then put underscore and then put the date. So yeah, so right here, let me see what you have in your notes so far. Who wants to read their notes?
1. Open Premiere. 2. Click New Project on the left side to rename the file.
Yes, that's perfect. And then number 4 should be select location of file. So select where you want the file to go, basically. So we want it to go in our ads folder. So that's where it's gonna go. It's really important to keep things organized. It's easy to lose things. So keeping things organized in folders is all part of what makes editing go smoother. Step 5, click the create button on the far bottom right hand side. And because we selected the ads folder that already had all the footage in it, all the footage is included on the left. So this is your bin where all the footage that we're going to edit goes into automatically, since we've selected that that's where we want our file to go. Okay, so now we're gonna go through and make subclips. We're gonna go through and watch the footage and make subclips of the best clips, and we're going to name them. How to select in and out points. When you get to the part of your footage that you want, you click I. So clicking I is actually setting your first in point.
Wait, but like,
yeah.
Is that how to select in and out points?
Yes. And then when you get to the part of your footage that you want to save, click I to set your in point. So basically an in point, an in point is a start. So where you want the footage to start is your in point, and where you want the footage to end is your out point. So think about it like that. When you drag the blue marker, let me see, try it. So at the very top, so double click on that footage so that you can see it. Yes. So yeah, just click and drag so you can see how exactly. So what you're doing now, they call that scrubbing through the footage. So if somebody is like, scrub through the footage to get your in and out point. So when you scrub through the footage, you see exactly where you want it to start and where you want it to end. So now let's go back to that footage that we were doing before. So yes, we want the moment right before with the buzzer. So scrub through just before you pick the buzzer. Okay, so select.
That should be our in.
Yes. Just right there, that's good. So select your eye, exactly. So now scrub through till after you buzz her, then you select your out point. Perfect, and she's gonna laugh. So when she laughs, okay, good. So select your out point. So now you're gonna. So don't worry. Yeah, don't worry. We'll clear it. So now you're gonna make the subclip. So go to clip at the very top and make subclip. And then you're going to name it. And then name it something that you're going to remember while you're editing. And then click OK. Good. So you've made your first subclip. Clap for yourself. Congratulations. Woo! Next we have Madame Na. She's going to make her first subclip.
Welcome